So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Skylight calendar. This is the 15-inch digital calendar and chore chart, you guys. I literally just took it out of the box and I have been waiting for this to show up because I am so super excited to dive into this thing. I have been eyeing this for so very long, you guys, and I've heard so many amazing things about it. And I finally said, you know what? In the crazy life that I have going on right now, my whole mom schedule is crazy, kids schedules are crazy, and myself and my husband share a family calendar between phones, and it's just sometimes hard to keep up with. I wanted something where we could literally get everything synced to one device so that we have one place we can look every single day to see exactly what we're doing on a day-to-day basis, in addition to the fact that there are so many amazing additional features you'll be able to take part in with this as well. One is the fact that it syncs up to your devices, so you can actually sync it up to different devices, specifically Outlook, not your devices, but your calendars from your devices. So Google, Outlook, Apple, Cozy, Yahoo, all of those are compatible as far as the calendars are concerned with this device right here, okay? The other really cool thing is the fact that on top of the fact that there is an app that you can download, which you will get a QR code for, that is actually on the little screen protector that you're gonna have when this comes in the mail, okay? You'll be able to download the app, and then the app is gonna give you some additional features, one of which is that you're gonna be able to add digital photos to your calendar that can be shown as a screensaver, okay? So it'll literally showcase some of your digital photos, your family moments, that type of thing. So you've got that option as well. And there's also some amazing additional features that you can get from the app too. But the biggest and most important thing for me is that I am able to sync all of our calendars collectively in one device so that we can just come here, and it's almost like having a one-stop shop for our day-to-day routines. So I really quickly wanted to show you guys what the back piece looks like that you're going to attach to your device to mount it on your table. Now, it is a strong metal, okay? So just know it's nice and strong, it's nice and thick, very, very easy to put on the device itself. In addition to the fact that on top of the fact that you have everything that you need to go ahead and mount this on your table, but you also have everything that you need that's included in your kit, in your device essentials, okay, in your box. You also have everything that you need to go ahead and mount this on the wall as well, in addition to the screws and all of that. So just be rest assured you're gonna have all of those contained with your unit. All right, you guys, here's what it looks like upon taking it out. And I went ahead and utilized the QR code that was affixed to the actual device, which comes in on top of the screen protector that actually comes on top of this. So there's a little QR code you'll see right over here when you open it up, and you can take the screen protector off and use the QR code to go ahead and get the app. So I got the app, I got everything set up, my password, all that good stuff, and here we are, okay? So as you guys see here, this is such a beautiful display for our calendar, okay? So as you see, this is the month way to look at our calendar, all right? You can also look at your calendar by day or by week as well, okay? So we've got that option too, in addition to the fact that you've also got the option to set up your chores. Now, here is the best thing about the chore part that I cannot wait to use. It is the fact that once you go ahead, you'll click that. As you guys see, it is touchscreen, okay, which is another really awesome bonus. But in addition to that, as you guys see, I have not set up my chore chart, and I'm going to be doing that with the quickness, because look what you're able to do. Each child, person in your household, individual in your household can have their own list of chores that they can do. So in my case, I will be having my children having their own individual chore charts. We usually do this manually, okay? So we have a little chore chart on our refrigerator that we use on a day-to-day basis, but we have to change it out so often because the kids are getting bigger. So with this, as I go, I can update the chores, right? So it's things like doing your math homework, or cleaning the kitchen, or washing the dishes, making your bed, feeding the dog, picking up the kids. Those are things that, you know, myself or my husband would be doing. But the really cool thing is that each and every single one of us can create a chore chart individualized to each of us, where as we go, we can go ahead and mark off the chores that we've done. And the really cool thing about this is if you have kids who are really encouraged with like celebrations and things like that, from what I've seen on this device, when they finish or accomplish a chore, they can click that they did it, and it does a little celebration. You know, it has a little graphic that pops up when they've completed a chore, right? Or completed all of their chores. And I think that's such a cool bonus to this, and it's going to make it even that much more fun for the kids to get their chores done and look forward to being able to mark each of the chores off on this device. You've also got the option to also display some photos as well, so you can actually upload images, digital images from your phone or your device, of course, through the app. So depending on what you decide to do with the app and whatever subscription you decide to go ahead and do, that is going to determine some of the additional features you'll be able to use with this device. But as you guys can see, literally everything that you need is right here, like everything, weather over here, we've got our settings button right over here, a nighttime setting as well. I mean, it's just such a really cool thing to utilize, right? In addition to the fact that you can also color code the items that are on your calendar, which I'm big on doing in my phone on my calendar. So I'm just ecstatic to be able to do that with this device right here. A couple of additional things that you should know is the fact that this actually auto syncs with Google Outlook, Apple, Cozy, and Yahoo. So depending on what you use, you have a plethora of calendars that will auto sync to this device as well. Another incredible feature that I'm looking forward to is the fact that you can also meal plan on this calendar as well. So you can color coordinate your meals for breakfast, lunch, dinner. My thing is going to be all about the dinners and my meal prep during the week. So that is going to be a major thing for me. You can also add your grocery list to this as well. So there are so many additional things that I'm going to love and take full advantage of when using this device. It's the reason I got it. It's the reason I am so excited to really just go ahead and use this and really customize it for our family. And you guys, I couldn't be more ecstatic about this purchase, and I hope this video helps in making your decision.